Hello Apple users, today everyone is talking about the Apple iPhone 17 series, how these phones look like and what are the redesigned features and what are the new features. So in this video I'm going to review all the rumor features which are expecting in this series, which is launched in September 2025, from the boxy camera redesign to the Apple chip, from the aluminum body to the slimmest iPhone ever launched by the Apple. I will talk about all the things, so keep watching this video till end, and please like to my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. So in 2025 they are launching 4 models, that is the iPhone 17 standard model, then the iPhone 17 Pro, and then there is no 17 Plus. Instead of 17 Plus, they are launching the 17 Air, which is the slimmest iPhone ever launched by the Apple, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And the later next year, they will also launch the iPhone 17 SE model. So this is all about all the models launched by the 17 series. Alright, so let's talk about the design and build quality. So all the Pro models, the back side of the phones, now they are using the half aluminum and half glass, which looks more classy. Previously all the phones using the titanium build, now it is a major change in the back side of the phone. Alright, so according to the rumors, the Apple redesigned the camera bump system. Now it looks in rectangular form, before it was in square form, and also lines might be in the horizontal way as well. So let's see. According to the rumors, Apple is introducing the 24 megapixel front facing camera, which we compare with the 16 Pro models. It was 12 megapixel front facing camera, which is a huge change. So if we talk about the telephoto lens, so it is expecting to upgrade up to 48 megapixel, which was previously 12 megapixel, 24 megapixel in all the previous models. So this is a major improvement. You will see high-end performance and efficiency in all iPhone 17 Pro models. The Apple iPhone Pro models will adopt Apple next generation A19 Pro chip. The A19 Pro chip will be built on an upgraded N3P3 nanometer process that should bring efficiency and speed improvements compared to the A18 Pro chip. And for the RAM, the iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to feature 12 GB of RAM instead of 8 GB RAM, which was used in 16 Pro Max. And for the display, you will see 120 Hz ProMotion technology with all of the iPhone 17 phones. So you will see anti-reflective scratch resistant display comes with all the iPhone 17 series, which is very handy addition. Alright, so let's talk about the most interesting part of this video. The Apple iPhone 17 Air, the thinnest phone ever launched by the Apple. So this is a big change from the Apple, and you will see the slimmest phone, which is around 6.6 or 6.7 inch display. That will be the amazing addition in the Apple lineup 17 series. So let's see how that phone performs. Alright guys, so that's it from my side. If you see or if you find any other rumored feature, you can put in the comment below, so we will discuss about these rumors. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.